OnePlus 9. So in this video I will explain each and every single feature of this OnePlus 9 mobile, which has a lot of improvements from the older generation. So let's start with the display size. When we talk about the display, this mobile comes with a 6.55 inches of fluid AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate 240Hz touch resembling rate display, and it is a display which supports HDR10 plus, and it is a display which was protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Not like the OnePlus 9 Pro, this mobile does not comes with a curved display. Instead of curved, this mobile comes with a flat display. Subscribing is important, don't forget. And it is a full Quad HD plus resolution display. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile comes with a processor that is a flagship processor from Snapdragon, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon triplet processor, which is a 5nm base processor, and it is a octa-core processor clocked at 2.84 GHz, and it supports 5G. And when we talk about the variants, this OnePlus 9 mobile will be available in 3 variants mostly. Those are the base variant 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, and also the 8GB RAM, 256GB of internal storage, and also 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. That is the top end variant. Now these are the UFS 3.1 storage capacities and the LPDDR5 RAM types. And when we talk about the cameras, this is the major section that we are complaining from a lot of years, and OnePlus has finally improved the cameras. In this mobile, they are used Hasselblad camera setup, where we can find 48 megapixels of main wide angle and 50 megapixels of secondary ultra wide and 2 megapixels of third camera. Mostly this OnePlus 9 mobile comes with a triple cameras. If you not already watched that OnePlus 9 Pro video, I will leave the link to that in the description box as well as here in the iCard section, because I have also made a video on the OnePlus 9 Pro. You can watch it by going there. And using this mobile's back camera, we can shoot up to 4K 60 fps, and this mobile comes with a 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, and we can also shoot up to 1080p 60 fps with the front facing. And when we talk about the battery, this mobile comes with a decent amount of battery, that is a 4500 mAh of battery. But the important and the most improved thing about this mobile is it supports 65 watts of fast charge, and it also supports wireless charge up to 18 watts. And this mobile also has official IP68 water and dust resistance also. And these are the major important features of this mobile OnePlus 9. And this mobile also got the features like in-display fingerprint scanner Gen 2, that is recently used in Samsung Galaxy S21 series. And this mobile comes with a loud stereo speakers, and this mobile does not got a 3.5mm jack, so that is a disappointing thing. Yeah, we can accept that in 2021. And this OnePlus 9 mobile comes with a glass back and metal frame, and this mobile runs on Android version 11 and Oxygen OS 11 out of the box. So yeah, we are also getting a power adapter and cable, and also the earphones included in the box with the mobile. So that is a biggest thing in 2021. So yeah, these are the major important features of this mobile. This mobile will be available in 3 colors: green and aquamarine blue, and one more color, I forgot it. I will leave the colors with the variants and with the price in the description box down below, so you can check it out from there clearly. And this OnePlus 9 mobile will start from 47,000 rupees up to 52,000 rupees based on the variant. So I will leave the links to my other mobiles in the description box down below, so you can watch them from there.